This video demonstrates the installation of the Wunda Duo Board System and is designed to be used alongside Factsheet U04. Before installation, it's good practice to sketch out a rough plan of the room and calculate any board cuts you'll need to fully understand the layout before commencing. Before laying the Duo boards, an 800 gauge, 200 micron vapor barrier must be laid over the Rapid Response heating boards and pipework. Make sure the entire floor is clean, dry, and free from dust or debris. Any loose materials or uneven surfaces could damage the vapor barrier or not allow the board to fit evenly. Roll out the vapor barrier across the entire floor area. Overlap joins by 200 millimeters, taping securely and extend up the walls by around 50 millimeters. The excess will be trimmed after the final floor finish is installed. In this video demonstration of a Duo board installation in a room 3 meters by 2.1 meters, a vapor barrier is not shown. However, the installation procedure remains the same regardless. Duo boards are laid in a brick bond pattern at a 90-degree angle to the direction of the floor heating pipes. They are supplied in packs of 8, 4 baseboards with a covered peel-back adhesive surface, and 4 plain top boards. Separate the two types before you begin. When installing the baseboards, make sure the adhesive side faces up. This adhesive surface will hold the top boards once the protective paper is removed later. The baseboards must not be fixed to the floor. They are designed to float directly above the vapor barrier. When cutting, use a pencil to mark your line and another board as a straight edge. To protect the surface below, place a plain top board underneath the one you're cutting. Use a craft knife to score about 3/4 of the way through the baseboard, then snap it in half. To ensure base layer boards and top boards overlap sufficiently to avoid joins occurring in the same place, the entire first row of baseboards will need to be cut in half, lengthwise. However, before cutting the first board, remove a 300 mm section. This will become the first board in the next row. Then cut the remaining piece in half along its length to create a board 300 mm by 900 mm. Place it against the left-hand wall with the cut edge to the wall and adhesive side up. Continue across the first row with the previously cut half boards, then measure and cut the final board and place to complete the first row. Start the next row from the left, using the 300 mm by 600 mm piece previously cut, followed by full-length baseboards until the final board in the row requires cutting. The third row begins with a full baseboard with the final board cut to complete the row. The fourth row begins with a board cut to 600 mm by 900 mm, and for subsequent rows, use offcuts or cut the boards to ensure the brick bond pattern continues until the area is covered. With the baseboards in place, you can now start installing the top boards. Begin in the same left-hand corner. Carefully peel away the protective paper from the first baseboard to expose the adhesive surface beneath. Only remove enough paper for one top board at a time. Starting with a full board, align the top board so its long top edge and left-hand short edge match perfectly with the baseboard below. Avoid stepping on the adhesive while placing it. Press firmly across the surface to ensure full contact and adhesion. Remove the paper and apply each top board according to the same staggered pattern. Continue working across the room, measuring and cutting boards as needed. Repeat the process row by row, ensuring joins never occur in the same place as the baseboards, until the entire floor area is covered with both base and top boards. The surface is now ready for your chosen floor finish. If you're installing a temperature-sensitive floor covering, a floor probe will need to be placed in a channel in the Duo board to ensure the probe sensor is in contact with the underside of the final floor finish. See the floor probe installation video for further details. For further help and advice, head over to wundagroup.com/support for more videos, instructions, and frequently asked questions to assist with all aspects of your installation.